Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial lined up for you. How to download an OpenVPN configuration and set it up on the HTTP custom app for a faster, more secure web connection. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Now, let's dive right into the tutorial. First, open your browser and type SSHOcean in the search bar. In the search results, click the official link to head to the SSHOcean homepage. Once you're there, look for the menu icon at the upper right corner of the page. Click on the menu to expand the list, then select Services. A new window will pop up, and from the menu, scroll down and click OpenVPN. Now we've reached the OpenVPN server creation page. Here you'll find a list of server locations. Select your desired location from the list. Remember, it's important to choose a server that is online and available for fast and reliable performance. If the server is offline or unavailable, you can try again later. Once you've selected your location, hit the Create button. This will take you to a page where you'll need to enter your desired username and solve the CAPTCHA. After that, click Create Now, and within seconds, your OpenVPN server account will be ready for use. Make sure to download the configuration file to your device for future use. Next, let's move on to setting up the HTTP Custom app. Open the Play Store on your device and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find the app in the search results, click Install. Play Store installation process is shown. After installation, click Open to launch the app. Now we're ready to configure it with our OpenVPN file. The app's home screen is shown. On the HTTP Custom app home screen, click the menu icon in the top left corner to expand the options. Select VPN Settings, and a new interface will appear. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a big plus button. Click it to open a new window. A small list opens with OpenVPN as an option. From the list, click OpenVPN. This will direct you to your device's download folder, where you can find the OpenVPN configuration file you downloaded earlier. Select the file, and it will be imported into the HTTP Custom app within seconds. Now all that's left is to click the Connect button, and you'll be connected to a fast and secure web connection. And there you have it. We've successfully downloaded an OpenVPN config and set it up on the HTTP Custom app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Feel free to share this video with your friends so they can enjoy a faster, more secure browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.